Hello, welcome back to Smith Farm Shenanigans. I'm Wayne, and today I've got something I want to show you. I bought a chicken coop for our chickens. We bought 6 little small chickens, and we had an old coop that I built out of rough lumber, and it's kind of falling apart. So we went with something different today. I'm going to get you turned around, and we'll get started on this, and hopefully you guys can find use out of this video today. Okay, so what did I buy? See if I can get you turned here. That is the, it's made by Producer's Pride. It's called the Hill Country Chicken Coop, and it's made for 6 chickens, as you can see there. And I will also put a link in the description for this. I got this at Tractor Supply, and it's supposed to have an outdoor area and all that stuff. So we're going to kind of do a review on this product as well as put it together, and I'll fast forward through the assembly process and the unboxing process so you guys are not bored. But if you're interested in getting this coop, I think we paid $4.50 for it at Tractor Supply. Now you may be able to find it online a little different price, I'm not sure, and I'll look up some links for you and so that you can get it. Now this is supposedly good for 6 chickens. So we're going to put this thing together and see how big it is, see if I think it's good enough. And it's also, one thing we have a problem out here with is predators. Everything out here in this little country farm we have, you can see up through there, it wants to kill our chickens. So we're going to, this is supposed to be predator resistant. You can see right there in the yellow. And so we're going to try to see if that is or not. All right, let's get you set up and we'll get this thing taken apart and unboxed and put together, okay? Okay, here we go. The first thing we're going to try to do is pull some pieces out and find the instructions. Now I've got this propped up like this simply because I figured it'd be easier to pull those C pieces out than lie it down and try to bend over and pull them out. And just so anybody out there that wants to buy this product, be aware it's very heavy and you'll need 2 or 3 people to help you lift this. Luckily I have a tractor and I was able to use that tractor to get it to where I want it to be. But if you don't have a tractor, get you some help, because it's not extremely heavy, but it's definitely too heavy for one person, and especially because it's a big box. Preferably you'd want 3 or 4 people. 2 can do it. It's going to be kind of difficult with 2 people. It ain't because it's extremely too heavy, it's just because it's heavy and it's big. You know, it's a big container.
Lord, I'm out of time. These visions in my mind reflect a much better time, when folks could sleep with doors unlocked, children could play all around the block. We'd gather around table and talk. Lord, I'm out of time. No more visions of peace, just chaos in my mind. In this modern grind, families drift apart, no more ties that bind. What happened to the days we prayed side by side? What happened to the time when kids were safe outside? Lord, I'm out of time. This world's moved on, let the old ways behind. But your love never fades, never leaves us blind. Bring us back to a place where hearts were kind. this world's moved on, left the old ways behind. But your love never fades and never leaves us blind. Bring us back to a place where hearts were kind. Bring us back, Lord. Bring us home, where your love reigns. And that's all we'll know. Bring us back, Lord. Bring us home, where your love reigns. Amen. We built these walls, but he tore them down. You walked in through those broken doors, heart in pieces, searching for more. But the eyes in the room just looked you through, like grace wasn't meant for you. Worn out clothes and a past you can't hide. Shame still whispering, stay outside. But you came for hope, not a place to pretend. Just somewhere your soul could mend. But somewhere we forgot why the cross was raised. This was never his way. Love was never meant to turn away. He sat with sinners, called them by name. But we built a kingdom of pride and shame. If grace don't reach the lost and the weak, then what do we preach? What do we believe? If love ain't louder than the words we say, then this was never his way. You tried again in a different place. Same cold smiles, same hidden face. Suit and tie, but the heart's still stone. Singing worship, but standing alone. They talk about mercy, they talk about truth, but don't make room for someone like you. So you turn away thinking maybe it's true. If this is God, I don't belong to you. But he never turned his face. This was never his way. Love was meant to light the darkest place. If we're his body, then we've gotta change. Let his mercy run through every vein. Let grace reach out to the lost and weak. Be the hands and feet of what we believe. Let love be louder than the words we say. Oh, and nothing like his way. If they don't see him in us, will they walk away? This was never his way. I've been a lot of places, seen a lot of things, but none of it compares to you. I've walked through days I can't forget, carried pain I still ain't shed, chasing things that left me dry. Truth was standing by.
So it took a total of about 2 hours to do it every bit. And now obviously I didn't count, actually got 2 extra panels. Oh, I know why. I see what it is. Those can make it longer. The instructions didn't even mention those. So you're supposed to put 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 to make it longer. But I've got to do some work out here, and then we may come back and make it longer. I've got to get this. I'm going to have to push it forward and dig the back end out where the house sits, I guess, in order to get this level. I want this to sit as close to the ground as possible. So we'll leave it at that for today. You could also make this short. Say you had a rabbit or something, you could put that end gate all the way up to here. It's pretty modular. So you could have just one section, but you can have 3 sections. I've got 2, so you can put another section all the way out to here. But the way my ground's running downhill, I can't do that right now. And honestly, it didn't say anything, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you, you're going to want to get this on a level ground if possible. The more level it is, the better off you're going to be. And I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to do it. What I'll do is just slide this forward, take my tractor, and just grade that out a little bit, make it level, push this back so it all set flat. And I probably won't do that today, but I may do it in the next couple of days, and I'll do a video showing you that. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you got something out of this. Stay tuned. We'll finish this project up with some fencing around it and doing the leveling and completely finish this project. Now, my initial thoughts on this little house, if you want to get it, again, I'm going to put links down in the description for it. This is from Tractor Supply where I got this. I imagine you could buy it online as well, and I'll put the link for that too. But so far, I really like it. I like that the panels are modular. I mean, not modular. What's the word I'm looking for? Composite rather than metal, and so that you can have an easier time. The metal is just, it gets hot in it for one. Only thing I worry about the modular, the composite material, I hope nothing can chew through it. You know, big field rats or raccoons or something like that. We'll find out. I'll let you know how that works. But so far, I really like it. The main floor of it is solid metal, so they can't come up through that, which is where you would think they would. That's usually where they came up in that one. We had a possum once, or a raccoon, a small raccoon got in and killed a chicken once. It came through the floor. So they can't do that on this one. But I'll let you know down the road how good this is. Thank you guys for watching. God bless. I've been lost inside my sin. Try
tried to fill this heart